Hello student, this lesson is for class 9th, Moments book, chapter number 5, The Happy Prince. Who was Happy Prince? Happy Prince was a beautiful statue. He was covered with gold, his full body. Statue's full body was covered with gold. He had sapphires for eyes. Sapphires meaning is precious stones which kept in the eyes, and these stones are used in the jewelry. And a ruby in his sword, and ruby is also part of jewelry which is used in his sword. Why did he want to part with all the gold? Part with all the gold meaning is why did he wanted to remove all the gold that he had and his precious stones? Why he wanted to get separate from these precious things? Let's read. High above the city, on a tall column, stood the statue of the Happy Prince. Means in the center of the city, at a tall platform, the statue of Happy Prince was placed. He was glided all over with thin leaves. Glided meaning is covered all over with thin leaves of fine gold. 4 eyes he had, 2 bright sapphires, and large red ruby glowed on his sword hilt. And his body was full covered with leaves of gold. In his eyes there were 2 bright sapphires, 2 precious stones, and on his sword hilt, hilt meaning is handle of the sword, or the cover of the sword was made of red ruby. One night there flew over the city a little swallow. One night a swallow was flying over the city from one place to another. His friends had gone away to Egypt 6 weeks before. Other swallows who were his friends, they had gone to Egypt before 6 weeks due to the change in the weather, as in which city the statue of Happy Prince was placed, or in which city the swallow was there, in that city the winter season was going to start, and due to that the other swallows, other birds had moved back to the Egypt 6 weeks before, but he had stayed behind. But that little swallow was still in the same city where the Happy Prince statue was there. Then he decided to go to Egypt too, but he decided that he would go to Egypt also. All day long he flew, and at night time he arrived at the city. For the whole day he was flying here and there all around the city, and at night he came back to the city. Where shall I put up? Put up meaning is where shall I live, or we can say where shall I spend the night? He said. Who said? That is a little swallow asked from himself that where should he sleep. I hope the town has made preparations, and he thought that there would be some place where he could spend his night, because in the night the season or the weather was some cold. Then he saw the statue on the tall column. Then he saw one statue was there on the tall platform. Then he thought, he cried, I'll put up there, means I'll stay there. It is a fine position with plenty of fresh air. There, he thought that it would be a good place where he could get proper air. So he alighted. Alighted meaning is landed. So he landed just between the feet of the Happy Prince. He sat between the feet of Happy Prince. I have a golden bedroom. As Happy Prince's full body was covered with the gold, so he said softly to himself when he saw towards the statue. What he said? He said that he had a golden bedroom, and he prepared to go to sleep. Then he went for the sleep, or he sat in the feet of Happy Prince for sleeping. But just as he was putting his head under his wings, a large drop of water fell on him, and when, as he was going to sleep, he covered his head with its wings, then a water drop fell on him. What a curious thing! Curious meaning is strange. He thought that what a strange thing. There is not a single cloud in the sky. As the sky, there is no any cloud, no any rainy cloud in the sky. Stars are quite clear. Stars are shining brightly in the sky. Yet it is raining. But then also it is raining. Then another drop fell. When he was thinking this thing, again one drop fallen down. What is the use of the statue if it can't keep the rain off? He said. Then Swallow talked with himself that if he couldn't keep the rain off from a little swallow, then what is the use to stay in the feet of statue? I must look for a good chimney pot. Then he thought that he should find a good place where he could protect himself from the rain also. But before he had opened his wings, before he could fly, opened his wings meaning is he could fly, a third drop fell. And he looked up, and when he saw from where the drop is coming, he saw that, what did he see? What a strange thing, what a strange thing he saw, that is, the eyes of the happy prince were filled with tears. That is, there were no any rainfall, but those water drops were coming from the coming as a tears of happy prince, and the tears were running down his golden cheeks, and they were flowing from his face, from his golden cheek. His face was so beautiful in the moonlight that the little swallow was filled with pity, and the face was looking so beautiful, so shining due to the gold, that the swallow also felt pity, that why the happy prince was weeping. Who are you? He said. Then a swallow asked from Happy Prince that who are you? Then Happy Prince replied, I am the Happy Prince. Then swallow asked, why are you weeping? You have quite drenched me. You have made me drenched me, meaning is made me wet. You have made me wet. Why are you weeping? Then Happy Prince answered, when I was alive. Alive meaning is living. When he was living and had a human heart, or he had the same hurt as other humans have. I didn't know what tears were, means I had never seen the tears, I have never realized what the value of tears are. For I lived in the palace because, for meaning is because, I lived in the palace where sorrow is not allowed to enter, means where there was no place of the sorrow. My courtiers, courtiers meaning is ministers, my ministers called me the happy prince, and all his ministers were calling him happy prince. And happy indeed I was, and surely, indeed meaning is surely he was very happy, means they were not saying him for the sake that of their ministry, but he was really happy, and that's why others were calling him the happy prince. So I lived, and how his life was very happy, and so I died, and while he was dying, then also he was very happy. And now that I am dead, they have set me up here so that I could see the ugliness and all the misery of the city. But after I died, he said, after I died, they had made the statue, made Happy Prince statue so high, means it was at a such height that from that point he could see the ugliness and all misery. Misery's meaning is unhappiness or sadness of the city. That as now he is out from his palace, he was standing at a top position in the city, then he could see the ugliness and misery all around in the city. And though my heart is made of lead, yet lead meaning is metal, as his heart is made up of metal, but I can't choose but weep, means he was not a human now, as it is only a statue, but he couldn't control himself from weeping. What, is he not solid gold? Said the swallow to himself. Then when he listened the story of Happy Prince, then he asked from himself that whether it is not a solid thing only, means how could a statue have a feeling? He was too polite to make any personal remark, but he was so polite, or by listening Happy Prince story, he was feeling pity on him, and he don't want to make any remarks regarding his story. Far away, continued the statue. Then statue continued in his low voice what he was speaking. Far away means at a great distance. Far away in a little street, there is a poor house. There is a one house. One of the window of the house is open, and through it I can see a woman seated at a table. That one in that house, from the window, Happy Prince was seeing that there is one woman who was sitting at the table, near the table. Her face is thin. She was looking very thin and worn. Worn meaning is tired. And she has coarse meaning is rough, red hands. Her hands were rough, all pricked by the needle, and there were small holes by the needle, means her hands were all red due to the pricking of the needle. For she is a seamstress. Why her hands were pricked with the needle? Because she is a seamstress. Seamstress meaning is lady tailor. She is embroidering flowers. She was making flowers with the needle and thread on a satin gown for a loveliest of the queen's maid of honor. She was making flowers on the gown for the queen maid who has to wear at the next court ball. Court ball meaning is dance at a court, or we can say dance party at a court. There was one dance party in the court of the city where the queen was living. For that dance party, queen's maid has to wear the gown, and on that gown the seamstress was making flowers. In a bed in a corner of the room, and in the same room on a bed, her little boy was lying. She was sleeping ill. He was sleeping ill. He had a fever and he was asking his mother to give him oranges. But his mother has nothing to give him but river water. She has nothing to give to the child, only the river water. So he was crying. So the little boy was crying. Swallow, swallow, little swallow, will you not bring her the ruby out of my severed hill? As Happy Prince wanted to help the lady. Happy Prince wanted to help the seamstress. So he asked the swallow that as he couldn't move himself, so he asked swallow that whether he could give the ruby from his severed hilt to that lady. My feet are fastened. Fastened meaning is tied to this pedestal. Pedestal meaning is platform, and I can't move. So he couldn't move. And when Happy Prince asked from him whether he was ready to give him the ruby, give that lady the ruby from the severed hilt, then Swallow replied, I am waited for the Egypt that his friends are waiting in the Egypt. My friends are flying up and down the Nile. Nile is a river name. That his friends are waiting for the little swallow in near the Nile river and talking to the large lotus flowers, means they were flying on the lotus flower and waiting for the swallow. Soon they will go to sleep, and early they will go to sleep. The prince asked the swallow to stay with him for one night and be his messenger. Messenger meaning is who would deliver his messages. And what kind of messages Happy Prince wanted to deliver? That is, he wanted to help the needy people by giving gold or precious things. So Prince asked the swallow to just stay for one night with him. The boy is so thirsty, and to make him agree, to make Swallow agree, the Happy Prince gave the reason that the boy is so thirsty and the mother so sad. He said that both boy and the mother are very sad. Then Swallow replied, I don't think I like boys. I want to go to Egypt. But the Happy Prince looked so sad. By listening this, Happy Prince became sad that the little swallow was sorry, and little swallow was feeling very sorry to make Happy Prince sad. And he further said, it is very cold here because as the weather is changing and swallow has to move back to the Egypt. So he gave the reason that it is getting cold here. But he agreed. But then also, by seeing the sadness of Happy Prince, he agreed to stay with him for one night and be his messenger. Then Prince said, thank you, little swallow. The swallow picked out the great ruby from the prince's sword. Then Swallow took out the ruby from the sword of the prince and flew away with it in his beak over the roof of the town, and started flying over the roof of the town by keeping the ruby in his beak. He passed by the cathedral tower. Cathedral meaning is church tower. He crossed the church tower where the white marble and angels were sculpted. Sculpted meaning is made, or they were inscripted. Angels were made, we can say, on the tower of the church. He passed by the palace. Then he crossed the palace and heard the sound of the dancing. And he heard the sound of the dancing means that same palace was there in which the dance party was going to be held. A beautiful girl came out on the balcony with her lover, and he saw that in that palace a girl came out with her lover. I hope my dress will be ready in time for the state ball, she said, and that girl was saying that maybe her dress is ready for the dance party. State ball meaning is dance party. I have ordered, because she has ordered to embroidering the flowers on it, but the seamstress are so lazy, and she said that the lady tailor is so lazy that she hasn't made still. He passed over the river. Then a swallow moved, or we can say crossed the river, and saw the lantern hanging on the masts of the ship. And when he crossed the river, in that river there were the ships, and on those ships lanterns meaning is lamps were hanging on the masts meaning is poles of the ship. At last he came to the poor woman's house, and at last he reached the poor woman's house, looked in, and he saw inside the boy was tossing feverishly on his bed. Boy was changing position. Tossing meaning is changing sides or position with a fever. And the mother had fallen asleep. Due to tiredness, the lady was slept. She was so tired. In he hopped. In he hopped meaning is he jumped inside the room, and he flew gently round the bed, and he moved to the bed. Fanning the boy's forehead, he gave air to the boy with his wings, and when the boy felt air, he said, "How cool I feel!" Means he was feeling cold. I must be getting better, and he thought that now he is getting better, or his fever is getting down, and he sank into a delicious slumber, and then he slept again into a peaceful sleep. Then the swallow flew back to the happy prince, and swallow came back to happy prince and told him what he had done, that what work he has done, or how he has placed ruby, given ruby to the woman. It is curious. Curious meaning is strange. He remarked. Why it was strange? Because as due to the cold he should feel cold, but he was feeling quite warm, although it is so cold. As it is very cold outside, but he was feeling very warm by doing the task. Then a prince said, why he was feeling warm? Because he had done a good action, because he had done a good work, that's why he was feeling very warm. And the little swallow began to think, and little swallow started thinking about this good work, and then fell asleep, then slept. Thinking always made him sleep, because always whenever he was thinking, then he was ready to sleep.